na kwaba eba the announcer newspaper so say wo hwe me a me chia me say bibie etu mpon kama ewo wakwan mu na menche kra we ye menche with the information be bataw nti so wa join me a me chia wo on the face the country for no etu for mu nti na mu sorry a modi atem ohu omo a mudi omachi ekoye ye face the country omo awan I don't for them Captain Smart. Ne honsem bi aba abeduru ha. Na Captain Smarty oyobia onu titi amanfo nsem na wode aba. Enti ono no de osore a da bia wanya we hu asem wode aba. Wanya we hu asem wode aba. Ne so Daddy Fred manya asem ba ku bia emu oduru pa ye enti me wa ben chia no mame say ya tetete sem ni nyina yiguso 8 yeko adofo ma allegedly nti ya yensa aka ekire se wohwema onyumtuni amabo ahema ne nyum to a ankoye nyina no in fact bebele free Captain Smart nti na ne nyum ankoye onyumtuni oba Ghana anaso wo Ghana o hye nyum ase na oyobia okokumasia not agrek some munim kumase de agrek ena na owo na amabo ahima yobia sebe oye brefo ewrade aboa na wabonwuma nennwom nka ebe ko anim pa ye mukai mere bi nennwom oboye ekosoro kama na araforum se enema bia Captain Smart ye ka ho ntina amabo ahima nwumi entima nkwa akire bi ma ya nheda ante ne nka bi na anything wo mu se wiase obi o talent kese sei wakododo nipa na masese ne talent no afiri ne nsa arinti ne ka asem kire mu se omo a omo ka asem kire mu na face the country na say no ya mo nhwe ne mayi kakra asan makodi omachi because niam bia yinim no anasa niam bia yaso ate emoduriye adafo no ama boahema oyanyumtini mu amunim na nyumto no munim nyuma watoto no munim anyuma meken haye ma ho kwa me amonyum nka ye bebo nyum ni bi ama matie sede anyum no esitie oyanyumtini na de womni se adafo no oyobia midi kan ka so bre no ho ase na oye brefo so ewo Ghana not agrek kumasi wa bonne bra chese John Mensa Sapon producer ona na produce no na obey said you see kwa animu said ye nnyum to si kwa animu no na nka o sese de nka wa pagya pa kase yenim de asi ne kwan a se de asa ba bia ogina na ogina na de wo ne se adofo no de downfall nyina ne nnwum to akofom nyina yente ne nka nyina no monko busa Captain Smart okahumbi if you say Captain Smart according to information bi amensaka allegedly owura John Mensa Sapon awoye producer or the atudwa say ebra na wo produce ama boahima no na ne eme etumpon kama na se de enwoma obo nyina no na ne eme ekoso a sika kra no Oman 120 million Ghana cedis no chese emwa na oboa no na nya asem ketwa ama so de yenyina no ya na ewokuma se de yenim no yenim a Greek baby a na ote omwa na oni omote yenim ni nyina Eradi peja no enti in fact Eradi a peja no ama waduru soro kama ya hwe ya Captain Smart Abba modern kodada and according to John Mensa Sapon producer he said asembia woni amabo ahima beka no se enhihye ya omo be hihye se be ya ombetima bonnwum na kwa akire obetima tonnwum na kwa akire no na Captain Smart akoka asem foforo akire no na amabo ahima adwene asesa o se enne decision bia woni ne betiki no na Captain Smart so akoka different thing akire no na one no asem na munyina adwene ho no na aye bibibia wo ho na according to Owura John Mensa Sapon producer was say Captain Smart every Winiba ena obaye obeduru Kumasi sabre no ko take FM enti okoduru ho no ena oye se wo free Winiba ba Kumasi a obehye brasi wo Kumasi die that is a captain ofri baabi no oba baabi na obehye brasi wo Kumasi enti obabeduru ho no na oye na adwene se ama boahema one no keka no security se obeware no enti so ne twempena so man twempena ene yenim ba awaresem de pe opanyini na asem ne kire se na awaresem no emere no aduru a chese ne ni abere se opese oware no enti obi pese oware wa so ne musician no mo twempena so mo twempena wo bia anim na enam awaresem no ka so be ware oba ni nti no ade bia wo ba ni ye bia je so ko Captain Smart amane na Captain Smart so ede na no afa no ho de na wa ma asem ni nyina say oh Captain na obi ade hia no se pese eniema koyie kama no na wasei ni nyina edizesi amene o kasei se ama boahema wo problem bia na ne nwum no wantima anto anko animu a ene omusa Captain Smart because ono nada wuruma ene ma na nwum tuo ni nyina kofom a wantimi anko anto nwum anko animu na ma uza arofonum we di obi be kana sem enya me da Fred na meka papa na kasa aka a grant interview ene odi asem na tudwa na the woman say the air cost no ade bia very 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 serious because obi ahye brase o bone bra o tonyonyom amabo ahima obi onim ne bia nim no kire se ba bia no wo aho kire na owom situation of firm na awurade pagya ne kakra na wanya producer bia wo boa no na hwe de ekosiye Captain Smart da wuroma ama boahema nyum nyina ayebasa because na no a wo de fa no so obegware no ema oba ne gi ni di ye ema oba no ema ni bibia no na obo Captain Smart amane na according to John Mensa Sapon producer ena oditudwa na jese eka hu bi ena ma saade no na nyum tuo ni nyina ekofom na question ni se na Captain Smart no ne ama boahema no motwempena na ende menim omumienu na betimi akire but opanyini na se ma wo ka no o allege se Captain na aka kire no se obeware ama no ama boahema enti decisions bia oni no beteki bia no akọ se no eno ne e kan bisi so amma hu se on say Captain Smart is my yekenyina no obi ani ho otai no da bi sabe saade bi ho na wo ye na ye papa e ba be bona baso ba on say de osikasa e condemn amanfo te say de ono de oye innocent baby ani no asa ono de nothing ama boahema no on je dan twempena kura da o aminim no personally aminim no baby a no ti wo Kumasi a Greek nyina yenim no enti no je da franchim prada na wo de wano afa no ho so be ware no ama ne nwom a wo to awurade abie kwan ama no a ne nwom no nke be pagya akosoro sabo ka ama boahema ne nwom pa wo to nwom na wuti a utim se onyankopon tumi agye adwuma wo ne nipaduam ava yente ama boahema biem yente ne nka biem se wafa hen se wa ko hen yenim ba ni nyina na se nsem bia hyase pie kire se Captain ebo modern ne kan serious se obeware no enti ni security bia je se o ka kire Captain Smart ene nam no so a ne nyum tu nyina akọ fom no enti so ma hu se de asem ni sitie ye de asem no ye fifi mu ne ye de aba on say de osika say yenim say ko no de ne ho ni problem bia said you see Digan and penny for them, said you see Chankuntum put to a man for so. You know, dear, no problem, only problem there. But they said the edited banner may you say. Send your baby bit tiny poor and no, this could be a soon walking. Now, Oko can't. Obebano about fire bin mo, and I know Biano Bain and I did the hammer make antro. Also, we are dear. So, woo ya, dear. Now, dear, now, wooyen. Say a yen quarrier. Ubian Chankuntum, Ubianca say, to say you. Say, Papa, I know ye producer. Only produce you a ye amabuahima. And a man onuntino, amabuahima, papa nintem to say, ya. One in time to tea, ya. Now, enough of them, media and you made a different in America. Mebo audio no, I'm a papa and more muti, Nassam. Now, also, we are say, I dear cousin, I catch them more. Yet me and me catch them more. Yana so bid them when him say, oh, yeah, dear. Mon shiny panna would dim when nimuno. And son what to work with dinner cheap. Then some of our to challenge the man say. What say? A man for your corrupt ever Ghana. It or ye face the country. A man for this Ghana or ye face the country. Momusan said, Juma Ben or ye or this in a dine. A Juma Ben or ye Juma or ye fraud saying, Adam FM, no Adam FM. But so may not just saying, I would miss our dine. Now no tia tax my Ghana saying. I would me see ye. When you be near account, but one cassa tenacity analysis. With I suppose some may now or just saying, and no Timmy are dying. Or no baby chankuntum potomoso, or by cancer be no quarry. Number Jedi. Say, oh, mostly I'm fixing Ghana. Most Musuban be a woman among fixing in Kakran Kakra. Say, be a Ghana be fixing kama. Now, one yum to near. What shall you must say? A radi pejana man could do a baby. What the park or 20 teams say, oh, Warren. I'm a young to need producer can say, oh, why a mistake. Producer can say, who produce no producer John Mesa Sapon, I will produce no. Cassia say, one morning in Timina, 13 tone time. Ama say, Ontimi one young man in Masurubium. A Gabian Kama, boy, man, can say, Cababia would do no. Kayentimi Markio, can do a direct year. Cabia or higher level. But Nina, dear see. A Dominion say, I can't so much I say. So face the country, Captain Smart and Mamudio Machino. Or Muninia Mapabia de Mamma, Munini. Mamma said, be see ye. Monche. Dear see ya, Papa be baby goon sending Papa the buy you big Papa buy na obey the same or the video buy a morphy. And the gas and the yere or Serena. Unya the yere man and the yere. When ya Papa yera man, my Papa the abra horse, we are ya. When you know what you want dance here, when you know who ye. Ya, and also I suffer or quite sorry, I'll cook Pentecost, sorry. Our Pentecost, and Bra a year Juma was sorry. It is obi or go Pentecost, sorry. No one is above the law, and Bra a year Juma, sorry, piano, a be a more Pentecost. Pentecost in Meramuno, a woman say, and soon I'm a Fufrobia coming, and I say, and Kugun sa, and I say, and Cosum Bosom. Captain Smarty timid in sa. Echo Jina face the country, more demonstrations, Echo Goon sa, or so. Ya okay also or ya chame was sorry ni papa was so omantement to nansen ya okay also ya chame ma me nganchram we ni ya niema bia hwe obey and then obeka me de minim but omra bonten amabo ahima amra bonten e me kan kire Ghana man say e ya mpasa Captain Smart or promising so obe ware no ana wanka na oyen esi say o me kam ye hu say o promising ampa so be ware no o ma na nwum to no say na esi akoduru enka say ama boahima e bia ko ni producer ina ma enko ni problem enka wo kosoro ka na nwum na kosoro kama And so look at what has happened. Shadiesi, is a no class or two, and minim baby or Tony say. But look at what has happened. I buy you out, what's this one? The near me cost come. Because what we win by a besina could take. What they are park or tuni trim. Uba wareno. Ama, when to me, Bibia no so, I dear be I just over catch them because what promising is over wareno. Producer now will produce no crown, only time of mano. What that no I can sem allegedly so be wareno. And I ready see. Oh, men no as my hammy be praying, say. Oh, say, we are sin. Say, oh, can't say, man, oh, ya dear. Ya dear Ghana, mine, we are some mine. Obia be who say, dear, we are no, a yene quason. Sabi Captain Smart and no chocolate awoye. Messima two question, a man, some musa say. Or no say a man for a corrupt, a man for disca, a man for Bokro no Ghana, or evidence. Meanwhile, for evidence, the brand TV for evidence. Also, so Ghana for who say, oh, yeah, brandy. What's with that? Can see a come out with him. Your boy, Bass, why are dear? But the Juma Bain and now was here out this is our dying. Catch the Ghana, man. A Juma himself, way, and he said, I don't have a Muko Jonako candy, Ukoka, you said, dear, dear, Oko, Sema, Kamanako. But a Juma Ben and away. When you know Babe Dadam, say Ghana yetting. Or Babe Tram Contum Pochinamus Ghana near Mankuyi, now could dinner chia. Now who could dinner chisa say. When you know Bow, no Babe Tram Contum Pachino, say Ghana de Oa Hutre, a man for sofa, Ghana de near Mankuyi, Ghana de a man for bread. What mamma or bow the one who fab or bahunum to knee, our two yanko ponium. What to me the one who far who say Oba Warren? I'm obey a brabunyan. What now? Say Oba Captain Smart. Now, baby, as I'm not do. Shed that from a tech pencil. That's a minimum how many women. What then I know two almost over Warrior, which is very serious. Now, Oba catch that man for some man for Subanya. Oba catch that man for some man for corrupt. Now, why should you make the day Jimmy win? Huh? Near me the day Jimmy win. A yasampa. It's the no situation, I say. As much as say, what's it been corrupt? A binimu digane sika. A binimu sopa gane sika. Fine. Umudigane sika yate. U proof on this, I want to mean for proof, ma. And I will sopa gane and penny for. Oh, see what Gilbert is, you say. Damage because then there Gilbert Mammy Musa. It's a offer, say, or to one also no dinner now to attempt Diba with me at my offer. Huh? Yeah, I'm to go Mumma politics is some Emmy Rugra, my brother, none clear or no monka. What Papa Penina will know what Yakunaso. Now, Opobia Manaka said Tiana, I'll crack it to our more brain ruba panacotakra. Now, would me banal be deal matem anyhow. Because who already so kasa. Oh, because who already so kasa. Media say my kosono. Media ha me bebere ni say. Ama boa himan ka o say nyom no watima to kwa akire aduru. Enso Captain Smart nti ama kwa ama boa himan bo nyom a eboso e ma wutire osa na wo bompa o say awurade pe jeme na awurade adwo na awurade kuta na wo bompa ye because Nenum na what no na moduru ye. Captain Smart na no akofa no allegedly. Se be ware no. So be ware no. Ena hwe. Meba mo amayem hu Judas na ye kan asem kire ma moji akigye no. Montie na afi. Moyem hu Judas ena moti wiase. Ye kan asem kire ma Osio etesa yakasem tira etesa muntie na afi mu akasa muntie ensem na owura no ekaye no producer na edie na no ekaye no na next time no ye nyina ye de etu ye hofo because ade na akoso no se wetima promise obi pa se obeware no na wan ware no no akọ ware nipa fofora odi nipa na to emotional trauma semunim sa odi nipa na to emotional trauma mu a nipa ni remfida they say minim amakura say so ware so ware minim but look at the situation mom yen konye kote producer na asem no na mo amuntama so na muntie na me de enyame na meka muntie
ma umano commission ana
na cassette bi odem de mano
bedroom radio so na umano hwe
e kuntumpu eno ka obu na ama na de ewura se me akra me de bi a cha na edi nkom na anokro frame me edi nkom de bia because so to try pro bebre na nya nokre enti me ka say Sam and dos na interview no NGFM afi se bebre na me bank statement me pretty 1 year bank statement na command dos e wo radio no so am so we di hwe sika ama boy ma di afiri me ho e wo nyum na obodi no afi frama boy ma Sam so na captain swan nam na chire ana wo masen kitinkiti bi me mase
a chire hon
a chire ma boy sana start your so be wan start pa
captain swan so fara ma boy
say Sam na captain swan abo tech
computer ba
Sam afa na free uniba aba o tech
o be pen
o wona ne fan den na me free captain say captain akola no oni hwe enti say bia wo catch be very careful
o ya wusia
jama afa enti bra and the dos ni here interview no a page no ana me catch and the dos say next week yem twa interview so na me di document say na buy to prove to and the dos say the all can intro afa ye free and the dos ye free amabo and the following week no captain so man nkasa
I don't know neti
no influence on super no influence I'm telling you no influence on
I don't know champion
well I need them to me come in
all right amabo ahima say wo ho aswati o producer na kasa no former producer kasia ba akopa na kasa no wonu se o se said you see kasa no nanajwa oyoba me respect unti me nkasa ntia unti de hia ne se me pese me kasa tia unti me block usesi ya ka me kasa tia wa nya because oba de me respect wo hu sa nti mo niema mo tro no ba hu sa ye kasa ntia mo o say adofo no the air cost no a very sad situation na o say we ase no ade air cost wa say we ase wo ho na ade bi cost wa wo say the ade ni sitia na afi wo hu de eko papa ina de abetu dwan say Captain Smart na obloko oma oba amabo ahima ene ne nkomo amabo ahima emma oba oma Captain Smart dem amabo ahima ene no eni nkomo on say the situation dey sit here what me e de wano for amabo ahima ho se obeware no wa man life say minim so aware ana onware ya nennum to nyina sai ene o TV ase wo be ka kire Ghana man se face the country na Captain Smart o secret se wo ho no wa face o secret se wie oniema e wo ho wa fix ya wie adofo me areho se situation say timisi o secret e wo ho no wa o secret no wa fix ya wie na wo sorry wo be di Ghana mpanifo atem wo be di Ghana mpanifo atem mpanifo a wo ndiro mo kota o momra endiro mo kota na wo ba be sopa wo mo ye kasa wo pretend it say de wo na anim bibia e na me ka say wiase no obie ni ho a ne ho ne mfomsuo ba o ma ho kwan a o mfomsuo no ebeba abonten amabo ahima amma oye big mistake mama bera ho se wakodi Captain Smart chiama wonnum aye basa wakodi na chiama sese minim ba bia woni nam sese won se na me busa senti nipa do se na ode na no ka kire o so be ware o ye ho mo fidie bai ye ho we die ba say ye asembe nkura nia it is a face the country momo koye dede se mom fix the country na wo so niema wo ya na underground o fix here na pese Ghana mai me di wachi na de be na anim niema wo ya na underground no mo ye de say wo de on fix you ba wo de wonam na wo say amamfo wo say Ghana mpanifo wonam na wo twa nkontompoto Ghana mpanifo so na wo sore na wo sopa Ghana mpanifo amabo ahima o innocent person me menye ni spokesperson ba se te sa pa and wagina ho ama Captain Smart disappointing is ya now are very sad because o career kese a wonnuma woto a wonnuma nka wo bedura kire be ko animu no one body kokwasa saa be se wani munyam ite we wo hin ka to nyum ba ko ka ko animu yie so producer na e kasa me da nyam na make a producer na e kasa enti we don't own assembly a was bia na producer na e ka enti e issue disclaimer but the situation in say etisadia na Ghana man avreko say yetena ho ma obi ti say Captain Smart e be data Ghana man a create impression they said the Ghana on nim bia wo wiase say hwe wona sorry and I met to and why you say wo so hwe wo de na bebe akọ promise obai so obegware no e che say ono bibia no wo ye ne ho se wonim wo Angela FM akoye adwuma wo ama omutua wo ka adwuma wura oto no bottom sika editua wo ka bosome eno na wo gina wo didi ma hoto o ma wo suspension se usuba mbone a wo gina di wo radio station ho any TV station ho ene wo se political suspension ono na adwuma ne ne dia ena o se code of ethics wo ye obi adwuma na obi a hye mmara se adwuma ma wo no sa suban we na wo udi so enye we na utimi de tumi hye wo nsa na wo aka se timi ye de wo pe e wo adwuma mu ho adwuma no ra ne ka se o ma suspension ko tena fie na dwene ho na akire se obeba o ma sa ahwe ko be fa so a wonnam na wu gu papa nanim ase na wo sopa no ono so na otua aka bosome e ma usika dididi na wo sika den wan tena fie ko ye obi adwuma wo sika adan want na fie ko ye obi adwuma we nu nyina mafo di nachi na Captain Smart na face the country na de mum country so fix say the city no we are be fix country no oni ade papa bia wo de ma Ghana fo bia ma na ni na ho na wote ho na binum so de o say omo no musuba no e ya temdidi o mo nsua nyansa because enemre wi ase aye wo no ni obi nya adwene a na wa kire wadwene se me ne wo nya adwene enya temdidi democracy no e ya adwenkyere ezube hu obi a ni petitiru bi a wabobra kwa animu o kasa na wo di atem enam ntete ye bone a wonya ne fie na wontimi nkyere na adwene ntino o kasa anyhow oba no obekasa de ope ama bo ahima me di hu ya wa ye me japa se wakodi Captain Smart echi ama wonnwom anyakopon de hye wo nsa se bonyom na be ni petitiru no wase wonnwom to ani nyina because of Captain Smart mesa babiem wo de mo home mesa aba bidi